Marty, you're an expert on travel health insurance. We keep hearing these horror stories of people buying insurance, being prudent, going to the States, having a medical emergency, and finding out they're not covered. Why does this keep happening?
It happens basically because they're not understanding the questions and they're not giving the proper answers. Basically, the person will say yes to something. A funny story is I'll say, do you have high blood pressure? And they go, no. Turns out they don't have high blood pressure because they take a med for it, but they think that's the reason. Anyway, that's just a quick example. But on the internet, there isn't that other person to question them about something like that. So that, in fact, causes a problem.
Okay, so we're talking here about the questionnaires you have to fill out about your health when you arrange coverage. What are people leaving out that the insurance companies are catching them up on?
They're leaving out their medications that they're taking. They're not looking at it and realizing they take that medication for that condition. So they say no. But in fact, when they order the doctor's reports after a claim, they in fact say that they are taking meds.
What about conditions you had that you think are completely cleared up?
Pre-existing conditions. Yeah. That's got to do with stability. And in fact, insurance companies love to see stability. They love to see that you've been on a med for 3 years as opposed to I just got put on one 90 days ago. And therein lies the problem. Whereas if you just went on a med, it was lowered, it was increased, even taken away. None of that is good.
They can all trip you up on that.
Exactly.
What's the policy? Do you have to disclose every last thing to the insurer?
You have to answer the questions. And at the end of the day, if you answer the questions properly, your claim will in fact get paid.
Okay, thanks, Marty.